You're welcome to Mahama Studios. Abusuya Code Micky of Code Micky Abusuya. Everybody is someone to just praising the finance minister and at the same time the acting defense minister for the country. I mean the Republic of Ghana.
Code Micky TV ni President John Dramani Mahama 7th January no echa 1 year. Now Honorable Atto Forson the year under review no me yin as my best minister.
Na sabe watima bonabaso concerning the way I want to stabilize the dollar no for 10 cedis now by 11 cedi 10 cedi 11 cedi.
The president made my successful economy is very very important. Man na whole economy ni down rough.
Na entimi mro sa na according we have the full video here. You're going to play it. I will people see on any platform. Now if today is the first time, make sure to follow this page, subscribe to our platform and follow us on all the social media handles at Mahama Studios. Official person come we be able to I was say nya hit a year 50k to 100k. Now say okay him I 2026 today we are coming. Now it is very simple. As I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Code Micky SA Finance Minister Honorable Atto Forson no say acting defense minister now the way he has been able to handle the dollar just say what must stabilize at no
say we see no and stability
it me and see this no it's a na ojo wan want to because
say sika na kosoro e ba form e kosoro too much e ba it make collapse businesses say 1 year near man no the finance minister now one was see na steady and nam 10 11 sa anti e ma we business out me project on say sika no say na tent me ko fa de kura ba na me profit to so aye sika na stable the movement no
o say man no boy adwuma na yen ko Code Micky the video no mra ya ba watch your comment section ase.
Code Micky TV ni President John Dramani Mahama 7th January no echa 1 year. Now Honorable Atto Forson the year under review no me yin as my best minister. The president made my successful economy is very very important. Man na whole economy is down rough. Me the way I was seeing in Yamaya me wonder cross or da. Ya me be share papa. Say when you Ghana who are doing pan was sacrificing a life. Or a finance minister now say the sad news is see ya defense minister who you know. Ya saw the defense minister ne juma ba pay papa so. He doubles finance minister and as the defense minister. And so say obo adwuma na o tinchan kura on feel say gap with the baby. We na me ye no me ye ni say you know nipa ne tinchan a na ne ho nipa bi ho a e be hye ni nkura say adwuma na me ye no streets ehu. Na other ministers so push you say ye ni ye ma Ghana the streets will appreciate. Say we see no and stability. Say sika na kosoro e ba form e kosoro too much e ba it make collapse businesses. Say 1 year near man no the finance minister now one was see na steady and nam 10 11 sa anti ma we business out me project on say sika no say na tent me ko fa de kura ba na me profit to so aye sika na stable the movement no. Say iron rods in near my this dan okwa out me who surprises no because of the stability of the money cars a crab na say over prices now and that is what we are pushing for. That is what we are pushing for. Me ko where boxing we buko mari now. Tina papa ni twemu na me gina baby hwe ni din and I'm say hey. The way a man is say humble no. O twem na say obi a we finance minister defense minister or just me nim over a moye nkrofo no na security person bia no nam nipa ni mu na traffic the way na traffic si wo no ti okpom other side no akọ park in the car no nam kwa no sa e ko car no nam say to we adwuma pa na wakoma mu fita obetuma na nto ba bia on soro be ko onim say we trim no de obetuma ye na wo ye omusi ni regime we mu no mean spending sika just like that. So pesca a project be a buying sika a project be a scrutiny be a o near be fam affair to be a dana kwamo and sign your release canama no do nyan that easy. The papa there would mean so I now gonna say the vision of the president on any body 5. Because the president met my as a finance minister may say GD woman at the defense na ka on na say Atto is really forcing. Say damn area man who highway no say Atto is forcing. Ghana ho do ene pe me de me betena ha always tell you on the highway say obi ye ne yem no wo ya ade ne ye hu a we commend the person e be boni pana baso we commend the person for the good work. The ministers no this year me yi President John Dramani Mahama the first year I was serving me best minister, the outstanding minister, Mary Honorable Atto Forson direct.
And that was a video of Micky Opresi, the finance minister and the acting minister of defense. Say wabon humodi and yagro cause adwuma na form na watimi abon humodi as stabilize the dollar there. Say aseda na yi and then come Atto Forson na abodwuma and cause Atto is forcing.